In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Microsoft Teams. This can be a crucial step for maintaining the security of your account, particularly if you suspect any unauthorized access or simply wish to update your credentials for peace of mind. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process as smoothly as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be any browser you're comfortable with, be it Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once your browser is up, head over to the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. You should see a list of results pop up, and you're going to want to click on the official Microsoft Teams website link to proceed. When the page loads, you'll see an option to log in. Enter your credentials as you normally would to gain access to your Teams account. This is an important step, as you need to be logged into the account you want to change the password for. After successfully logging in, you should look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture is situated. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, you need to select Manage Account or My Microsoft Account, depending on what you see. Clicking on this option will redirect you to your account settings page in your browser. Once here, you'll either see a security tab at the top or a password option in the menu on the left. Both of these will lead you to the same destination, so click on whichever option is available to you. Now, look for the Change Password link and click on it. This will bring up a prompt where you're required to enter your current password, followed by your new password, twice, to confirm accuracy and ensure it's not a typo. Be sure to choose a strong and secure password, ideally a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, to protect your account effectively. Once you've entered all the necessary password information, look for the Save or Submit button. Clicking on this will finalize the process. Upon submission, your new password will be updated not only for Microsoft Teams, but across all linked Microsoft 365 applications. It's that simple. Remember, it's a good habit to change your password regularly to maintain the security of your account. Keep your passwords stored securely and avoid using easily guessed passwords or the same password across multiple sites. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you successfully update your Microsoft Teams password.